Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, June 8, 2022. Let's take a look at the Lisk to Tether at the daily time frame chart on the Zonda cryptocurrency exchange. As you know, I'm using the Japanese candlesticks, classical technical analysis, and sometimes I'm using the Fibonacci projections and retracements together with the Elliott wave theory. So what do we have here on this chart? As you can see, I'm starting with the blank chart to show you what is my way of reasoning. We got the recent high in 2021 above $10. Apparently, it hits almost $11. Maximum was the $11, and then big drop towards the level of 1.54. Since then, we got the lower high, we got the lower high, we got the lower high, and we got series of lower lows, and lower lows. So it's very obvious that currently we are in the downtrend, and if you want to move these lines somewhere here, like the lines for the current trend, you can see that starting from the extreme, like 11, we can clearly see the market is trading below the first long-term trend line. And if we just make this one here, we got some kind of a false breakout, false breakouts as well. For example, here there's a false breakout, then back down, and then new low. Why I'm talking about this being false breakout? Because it makes a new lower low. This low is of course the swing low even, so it's obviously a fake out to the upside. What else can we spot here is that we are below the level of 1.22. This level was the very important level of a support. Now we broke below it, and the recent low was made at 0.85. The market is trying to bounce above this level. Let me just point it out for you. This is about here. Market is trying to bounce, however it doesn't makes too much of a progress. Let's take a look at the newest price action to see what is going on here. As you can see, this big candlestick is telling us that the upper shadow is a way to tell the market participants there is a bearish pressure here on the Lisk. New low, and then a kind of a bounce. This bounce is very poor for now in terms of the magnitude and in terms of the let's say the area covered, because it's not even 38%. So as you can see, after this local high was made like this is the highest 1.50 apparently. We are already going a little bit lower. Let me just copy this line because I would like to see whether there is some kind of a bearish channel, and there you go. We can assume that this is some sort of the bearish channel, and if we assume that this drop to the downside, let me just put some arrow here so everything is quite clear. This arrow down is a pull for the flag pattern, so we got a bearish flag on the Lisk, which means that we can of course move up and down here for quite some time, but then the most probable move out of the bear flag is to the downside below the recent low at 0.85. so please prepare yourself for another wave down in the Lisk. In order to invalidate this kind of a scenario, we would have to apparently break above, as you possibly can see this one. The first level is 2.80, and this is the technical resistance, and the other level is of course at the top of this great pin bar around 3.05. so only a sustained and a strong dynamic aggressive breakout above 3.05 would change the short-term outlook to more bullish than it is right now. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.